my dear fashion lovers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about fashion mistakes to stop making after your 30s. There's no age limit on elegance, but there are a few habits that quietly age your style. Today I'm sharing 6 things to stop doing after 30 if you want to look refined, not rushed. But before we dive into today's subject, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on my further videos. And now let's get started. Now, these aren't harsh rules. They are more gentle shifts, and I promise just changing one of these will instantly elevate how you look and feel in your clothes. Let's dive into mistake number 1, which is over-accessorizing. Less is more. Let one piece speak. My tip for you is, if you wear a bold earring, then skip the necklace. It's about balance, not excess. So you do not want to look like a Christmas tree. Accessories are there to really refine your look. Think about it like this. The general rule of thumb is, when you leave the door, take off one of the accessories you're wearing, and then you're good to go. Now, there are certain pieces that can really be worn with any outfit. If it's like decent rings, or if it's a very sleek, fine necklace, if it's golden pieces, like real gold pieces that have been passed down over generations, okay. But, when we're talking about statement pieces, about bold jewelry, then make sure to just wear one of these pieces. If you have a bold earring, then you do not want to have a bold necklace. If you have a bold bracelet, then you do not want to over accessorize on your earrings. Mistake number 2 is to wear fast fashion head to toe. It's not about the price. It's about how things are mixed. Now, for example, pair a Zara dress with vintage boots or a structured handbag. This will give you an instant lift. I'm completely not against fast fashion, and I think when it comes to trends, then definitely it's worth to rather shop them at fast fashion places than spend hundreds or thousands of euro on things that you can be sure that nobody's going to wear anymore in 2 or 3 years. But the fine art of fashion is to create a balance, meaning if you have one trendy piece in your outfit, then the rest should really be balanced and keep this down. So this is why if it's super trendy, you just want one Zara piece and the rest should be like timeless classics that you found in your wardrobe. Mistake number 3 is neglecting tailoring. Clothes should serve your shape, not vice versa. If your pants bunch at the ankle, get them hemmed. If you go shopping, make sure that what you buy really fits. And sometimes it doesn't, because you have a very special body shape or because an item is just not appropriate for you. Now, in this case, it really is worth the money to take them to the tailor and have them adjusted to exactly fit your body. And then you can make something that's maybe worth 50 euro look like 500 euro, just because it looks as if it was made just for you. Mistake number 5 is dull colors that drain you. Color can age you or awaken you. Find your palette, then stick to it. Mine, for example, is neutrals with warm undertones. But what is good and right for me doesn't have to be good and right for you. And I do also like to incorporate some color, especially in spring and summer, because it makes the outfits look happier, brighter. And a safe strategy for incorporating color is to always go for red. Now, especially as a woman, as soon as you wear red, heads will turn and people will be like, wow, she looks so good. And it's just because of the red. And the good classic red is a color that really suits anyone. Mistake number 5 is trend chasing without editing. Elegance means discernment. Yes, you can wear trends, but you don't need to wear all of them at once. Especially as a woman over 30, you want to come across as somebody who is mature, who is refined, who really understands and has her own style that she owns. So just Giving yourself away to every trend out there will make you look like a 16-year-old that's still looking for her place in this world. And this should not be how you want to come across. So know your style, own your style, and then light it up, play around, and have fun with certain trends. Just one trend at a time, no more than that. And mistake number 6 is neglecting posture and presence. And this I cannot stress enough. How you carry yourself is part of your style. So try to always stand tall, to speak slowly, and to make eye contact when speaking to someone. That's elegance in motion. If you slouch or if you're not able to look people in the eye when talking to them, you will come across as insecure or as somebody who is not trustworthy. So really try to avoid this at all costs. And yeah, I know that it sometimes is really uncomfortable to always keep the eye contact. And if it's very hard for you to do so, then try to focus on a point that's very close to the eyes of a person. So it will look like you're looking into their eyes, although you're not actually. This might really help you when socializing with people. Now I want to know, which one of these are you secretly guilty of? No shame, we've all been there. The magic is in becoming aware and evolving. So if you like today's content, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on my next video. See you in the next one. Stay stylish.